So a warm welcome to everyone and welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Now you might be amazed why I am calling it as a magic world. After a few minutes, you'll realize that Vedic maths makes your mathematics magical. Magical means faster, easy. You'd be able to calculate before the calculator. So it is magical. And you all will feel this. Yes, how fast you can do mathematics. Yes? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So, very first thing is you should congratulate yourself. You should pat yourself. See, whenever you are starting with a new thing, whenever you are starting with a new journey, always congratulate yourself. Thank God that He has given you that time to start something new. This is Sheikh Mahbub, there is a disturbance from your background. So one should appreciate this and one should pat themselves. You'll get yourself motivated. Right? Because you have taken the step to learn Vedic mathematics today. This is first step towards the journey. So let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna, an internationally certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. Also, I'm an author for books, Vedic Mathematics Step by Step, and I'm an educator from last 25 years. I motivate and help people to grow as entrepreneurs. So how many of you are looking forward to become Vedic mathematics trainers? Yes? Or just you are here for a knowledge, only seek of knowledge? So how many? Yes, Sheikh Mahbooba. Yes, Sheikh Mahboob Basha. What do you do as of now?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
As of now, I'm a mathematics teacher since 13 years. I'm
Very
dealing
good.
up 9, 10 for the high grade list.
Great. You are from which place?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, Nellore.
Nellore. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great. So we'll be learning today some concepts of Vedic mathematics, which will make you realize this makes your mathematics magical, right? Okay. Yes, Amit, are you there? Varsha, Pallavi, Santosh, Satish. So only one person is here to become a Vedic mathematics trainer.
Sir, I am Satish Kadlag, also interested.
What do you do, Satish?
Sir, I am lecturer in SMBST College, Sangamner District, Ahmednagar, State, Maharashtra.
Yeah, Ahmednagar, I know. It's near Shirdi, 100 kilometers from Shirdi. Yes?
Near 55 kilometers, sir. Sangamner is there.
Sangamner is 50 kilometers. Ahmednagar is district, yes. I
100 kilometers.
Yes, I know. Great. Okay. Anyone else? See, I'll tell you, this is the opportunity today. Because Vedic mathematics has been added to your course curriculum, class 3rd to class 9. So every student needs this. So we need more and more trainers in India, more and more teachers, more and more people who can train. So that is the reason when you open Facebook today, when you open Google, there are lots of ads of Vedic mathematics, right? Every new day, a state is announcing that, yes, we are implementing NEP, National Education Policy. And as per that, they have to start with this course. Okay. So one thing, I'll just brief you for this workshop. This would be a workshop, a very interactive one. And I would like everybody to participate because we'll be solving questions, right? And secondly, when you are going to become a trainer, please don't hide yourself behind the cameras. Come up. This is a time to show your confidence. This is a time to come up. Tomorrow you're going to train the trainers. You're going to train the teachers. You're going to train the students. So no time for that hiding out. Yes. So first step, see why I told you to congratulate yourself, pat yourself, because it is the first step which is always difficult, which is always difficult to initiate.
Hello?
Once you have taken the first step, there is no.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, I would like to tell you one thing, that can we keep the conversation in Hindi, because I am from Uttar Pradesh and I am not comfortable in English.
Sorry, Mr. 100% हिंदी नहीं हो सकता इसमें. There are people from South India also. I made it very clear initially only.
So mix करके कर सकते हैं सर.
सुनिए मेरी बात, 3 लोग सोचेंगे आप, नहीं हो पाएगा. टोटली हिंदी नहीं हो सकता है.
ओके, मिक्स करके कर सकते हैं क्या सर?
सर आप सब कुछ मिक्स करके भी हो जाएगा. मैथ जब करेंगे वो इंग्लिश हिंदी में कहें या उसे इंग्लिश में कहें, लिखना एक जैसे ही आएगा, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. ये शुरू की जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो जरूर इंग्लिश में होगा, क्योंकि वी हैव पीपल फ्रॉम नेपाल, वी हैव फ्रॉम साउथ इंडिया, दे डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी. करेक्ट. सो आई हैव टू लुक फॉर देम आल्सो. And Mr. Maan, I asked you कि you can attend. It was not you can bring all your family members and everybody to attend and then question. Okay. This is not the way to attend any seminar or workshops.
दो सर, एक्चुअली मैं वाइफ के लिए ही कर रहा था, तो मैं और वाइफ दोनों रहेंगे.
थर्ड पर्सन ने अभी बोला है.
नहीं, वो छोटा भाई तो बना था.
It doesn't look nice in a workshop, please.
ओके.
कल को आपने भी पढ़ाना है, आप ऐसे पढ़ाएंगे क्या क्लासेस को?
Okay.
I'm sorry, but this is the first time I'm facing from past 2.5 years. Okay. Now, first step was the most difficult one because it decides your journey. You might have seen every time whenever we are planning for something, what happens? Planning remains the planning. We are not able to take the step. Abhi, New Year has passed. We all might made some resolutions. Yes, we'll start this from the 1st of Jan. We'll start walking. We'll start meditation. We'll start anything you might have planned. But what happened on the 1st? It remained like that. So that is the reason I'm saying the first step is very difficult. So today you have taken that step. Maybe आपके Vedic Mathematics पिछले महीने से या 2 महीने से या 3 महीने से जानते होंगे, but you were not able to take the step forward. So today, since you have taken the step, you should congratulate yourself. This is a mark of a new journey in your life. Right? And never think we cannot do, we cannot start at this age. You should never have reasons for anything. जिंदगी इसी का नाम है. It can start at any moment, any time. You can start your life. This is a very common thing. अगर आपने भगवत गीता पढ़ा है, if you have gone through Bhagavad Gita, what does the first adhyay says? The first adhyay says we should be confident every time. And what happens? Even in one day, हमारा जो confidence है या जो motivation है, वो लड़खड़ा जाता है. We are all ready for an interview. What happens? A day before we start thinking, should I go for the interview or not? Should I move ahead or not? बहुत से काम हम जिंदगी में इसलिए छोड़ देते हैं क्योंकि हम लास्ट मोमेंट पे घबरा जाते हैं या लास्ट मोमेंट पे हमारा डिसीजन नहीं बन पाता. We just don't take the last step. Yes, do you face this problem or not? कितने लोग फेस करते हैं ये प्रॉब्लम्स को?
यस सर, शुरू में तो ज्यादा होता था, अब तो धीरे धीरे कम हो गया है.
यस, धीरे धीरे कम हो गया तो दैट इज बेटर. And the best would be when it would be 0. Why? See, when you are planning something, when you are doing something, what stops you? That means there is something which is lacking. What is lacking? That self-confidence, that motivation is lacking. And this has been very clearly explained in our holy book Bhagavad Gita, that yes, at the last moment, we just stop it. We just think, no, let's avoid it. And a very good example for this is our New Year. Every time you make resolutions. So how many people make resolutions before the New Year? And at the last stage, we are not doing it. Right? So this is the time. Today you have at the right place, right time, where you can start with a new journey, with a new confidence, with a new motivation. And I assure you that this 2 days workshop is sufficient to teach small students, the younger ones. You can take their classes right from tomorrow itself, and I'll support you in every way. And once you take the first step, definitely you'll show flying colors. Right? So this is where you have a day to start learning Vedic mathematics, launching. Tomorrow we'll be learning about how to launch your classes, leading the way towards the success. So let's start the day with positivity and confidence. See, these two things are required in your life: positivity, confidence. If you have these two, काम कितना भी मुश्किल आ जाए, that is not difficult. But the point is, you should be confident, right? So let's start with Vedic mathematics. Now, how many of you are aware with the term Vedic mathematics? Yes, कितने लोगों को पता है Vedic maths क्या होता है? Yes, Mr. Man, Amit, Santosh, Satish, Pallavi.
सर मुझे पता है.
What is Vedic? Yes, please.
वैदिक मतलब उसमें सूत्रास होते हैं और सब सूत्रास होते हैं.
Okay.
और मैंने एक कॉलेज लेवल पे एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था. उसमें मैंने एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिजिटल रूट क्या है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन फास्टेस्ट कैसे करना है, ये जाना है.
Okay. So did you implement a digital route in your school? Did you share it with your students?
College level students are there is one project for students. Then I will explain these students for only, not only for all class.
Okay.
Digital
So
route is the concept.
what change did you
Digital
find after this?
डिजिटल रूट मतलब 1 2 3 का डिजिटल रूट 6 होता है. 0 to 9 में डिजिटल रूट आता है, कितनी भी बड़ा संख्या हो. नहीं तो
क्या
ये
करते
बेसिक
डिजिट रूट से करते क्या है हम?
डिजिटल रूट से क्या करते हैं? डिजिटल रूट से वो बेसिक हम जो टेबल्स बोलते हैं ना, टेबल्स में यूज में आता है वो.
नहीं
अभी मुझे इतना ध्यान में नहीं रह गया सर.
कोई बात नहीं, not a issue. Still very good. Still you have that knowledge. Very great. Yes, Mr. Mehboob Basha, Amit, you are Amit Maurya behind the camera. Sudhir, Palvi, Karishma.
Yeah, actually, I don't know what exactly Vedic maths is.
Okay, so no issues. See, but you want to learn it. And see, when you're going to learn it, one has to give 100% attendance. If you're not there, how will you learn? Yes. Okay. Another question, why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Why not something else? We have so many names: discrete mathematics, so many names were there. Why it is called as Vedic mathematics?
Hello,
Because
sir. Because
Yes, Karishma.
because it is ancient, sir.
Because yes, please.
ये हमारे पुरातन काल की संस्कृति का गणित है.
Very good.
पुरातन काल में ये संस्कृति स्वामी भक्ति तीर्थ जी ने
Very good. Yes, good. Keep it up. Great.
उन्होंने इसका भारती सिंह जी ने इसका भारती तीर्थ जी ने इसका इसके ग्रंथ लिखे और कुछ ग्रंथ मिले नहीं है, कुछ जो भी बचा हुआ नॉलेज वो हमें मिला है, लेकिन पूरा नॉलेज इसका मिला नहीं हमें।
Yes, this is what I was afraid to speak, क्योंकि कुछ चीजें बोली नहीं जा सकती थी पॉलिटिकल रीजंस के कारण. But yes, you are correct. Yes, Mr. Sudhir, Amit, Ramesh Gaikwad. This is Ramesh or now Varsha? Okay, so let me tell you. Yes, Karishma, you wanted to say?
Yes, sir. I was about to say the same thing. It was the same, like in Vedas, one of our Vedas have given this knowledge to us.
Very good. Okay, so let me do it with each and every point I'll discuss. See, now this is why it is called as Vedic mathematics. First point. Now it is called Vedic mathematics because of its origin. Origin means kahan se ye subject aaya. So this is believed to be originated from our Vedas. So how many Vedas we have? Yes, Jyoti. How many Vedas we have? Four Vedas. Yes. Which one?
Rigved, Yajurved, Samved,
Yes.
Atharved.
Very good. Anyone else would like to add? Okay. So there are four Vedas, and this particular subject, it is believed to be originated from our Atharveda, the fourth Veda. जो चौथा वेद है हमारा, उससे बिलीव किया जाता है कि ये सारा टॉपिक वहां से लिया गया है, which deals with the branches of engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine and all other sciences. जितनी भी साइंस आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो सब अथर्ववेदा से लिया गए हैं, which we are today aware. Right? So there are four Vedas, and this particular subject, it is believed to be originated from Atharveda. So we call it as Vedic mathematics. Now, हमने खुद तो नहीं लिया. Who was the person who was doing all this? Who was the person who took the knowledge from Vedas and then gave us this subject? So he was Shankaracharya of Puri, Jagannath Puri. Now Jagannath Puri is in Odisha. So his name is Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji. 1884 से 1960. He was the person who gave us this magical subject, Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji Maharaj. Any questions you have now? Yes, abhi tak koi, any questions? Now,
Sir, why it is originated from Atharva Vedas only?
why it originated तो कोई आंसर नहीं दे सकता है, क्योंकि ना मैंने वेद पढ़े ना आपने पढ़े. ये तो अब स्वामी जी ने उसमें से लिया है. तो why तो this, see, some whys don't have the answer. Why I am doing this? Why you are learning this? This has no answer. So why? See, the point was कि वेदा से लिए गए, पर अथर्ववेदा में मैथमेटिक्स, कल्चर, मेडिसिन इसके बारे में ज्यादा लिखा हुआ, तो इसलिए वहां से लिया गया. You got my point?
Okay.
See, Vedas, I have not gone personally, मैंने पढ़े नहीं है. आपने अगर पढ़े हो तो आप देखो. पर अथर्ववेदा में जो कहा जाता है कि उसमें सारा मेडिसिन से रिलेटेड है, आर्किटेक्ट से रिलेटेड है, साइंस से रिलेटेड है. So this subject was taken, most of the topics, most of the concepts were taken from Atharvaveda. Right now? Yes, Tish?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, today you'll be learning Vedic mathematics. So you should know what is Vedic mathematics now. See, we got the history. Who done it? We know. But if you have to explain this to a child in a very simple language, or if you have to just give a definition to anyone, yes, मैंने Vedic maths पढ़ा, तो what is Vedic mathematics now? Now can you define it? Yes, Karishma, Jyoti, anyone? Pallavi? Okay, Pallavi said, I don't know. Mehboob Basha? Anyone? Okay,
How to solve the problems in a simple technique, with a simple
very
technique.
good.
So we're going to take all the techniques which can be do normally within 2 to 3 pages. But when you apply these types of, I heard about a few formulae. When you apply those formulae, it can be complete within 3 to 4 steps. So that is very easy to complete in a short
Sometime only
time.
single step. Sometime only single step. Okay. Yes, you are correct. And today we'll learn that. We'll learn all those topics today. So a very simple language is, it is a collection of techniques or formulas. Now, formulas are in mathematics, and in Vedic maths or Sanskrit, we call it as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques, formulas, or sutras which makes our mathematical calculation easy and faster. Very easy. Vedic maths makes your calculation easy and faster. इजी भी बना रहा है आपके और फास्ट भी कर रहा है, दोनों चीजें एक साथ हो रही हैं और दोनों आप अभी देखेंगे. नाउ बट जैसे मैथ्स में फॉर्मूलाज हैं, वी हैव फॉर्मूलाज इन वैदिक मैथ्स आल्सो, बट वी कॉल इट सूत्रास एंड सब सूत्रास. जैसे फॉर्मूलाज एंड सब फॉर्मूलाज, सो सेम सूत्रास एंड सब सूत्रास. So we have 16 sutras in Vedic maths and 13 sub-sutras, correct? And with the help of that, you can solve any problem in maths. That can be in arithmetic, that can be in algebra, that can be in geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conic, quadratic equations, and even organic chemistry, right? So a very simple language, a very simple definition. Mathematics, which Vedic maths is what makes your mathematics easy and faster. And it has 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. Is it clear now? Any questions? Now, before we start the calculation part, a small question and a small point. Now, we already have maths, we have discrete mathematics, we have so many subjects. So what is the need of Vedic mathematics? Why should we do Vedic mathematics? Why is now government also interested? See, when I was giving classes last year, so I used to explain them the importance more. Yes, government should implement this, but now it has been announced. Now, as per our national education policy, it has been implemented. In several states, it has started. In other states, it will be starting very shortly, but it has to be done now. Now, the point arises, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? So that means there are certain advantages. There are certain reasons why this subject is important and why it should be implemented. And that's why it should be implemented. The very first answer, the very first reason is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Yes, Satish told right that in some cases 5 steps and here only few steps. That is correct. So the same thing. So it helps mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Do you believe in this, Pallavi? Because you are fresh to this subject.
Yes.
So do you believe it can happen?
Yes, I do.
You'll feel it. 10 minutes more and you'll feel it. Yes, Jyoti, आपको लगता है हो सकता है स्पीड बढ़ सकती है? भाई लगता है तो हाँ बोलो, नहीं लगता कि नहीं ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. इसमें क्या है?
इसके बारे में जानकारी है नहीं कुछ.
कोई बात
हो सकता है.
मैथ्स में टेबल्स 8 तक आते हैं. कोई बात नहीं, अब फिर आपको समझ आ जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सुधीर, यस सुधीर, संतोष.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do you believe that the speed can be increased 10 to 15 times faster?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, Rameshwar. Now, this is the statement which you will find everywhere. My question is more about behind this. Why does this happen? If you all believe, yes, speed will increase, my question is why? Why speed increases? Anyone? Why does the speed increases?
No, because it is a ancient method than regular methods, and yeah, in this method, sutras and sub-sutras are used so
Okay.
that speed is increased.
That's all.
Mm,
So as per you, only the reason you are saying is since sutras and sub sutras are used, so the speed gets changed. But
So we are using different techniques.
Okay.
Different techniques.
Very good. Great. Yes, Mr. Sudhir, what do you do?
So I'm maths lecturer, sir, teaching 11th and 12th.
Very good. So we'll enjoy now. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mr. Basha. See, I told you if you have questions, I have solutions. Now let us come scientific reason behind this. A question for everyone. How do you write? Left to right, correct? How do you read?
Yes.
Left to right. You hold you check magazine, newspaper. How do you read? From left hand side to right hand side. How do you write? From left hand side to right hand side. And this is, you do everything this way. But the moment maths comes, you're doing from right to left. First unit place, then tens place, then 100 place. Yes, am I correct, Sudhirji? Am I correct, Satish?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And this is
Yes,
the
sir.
basic reason why your speed gets slower. I know maths teachers will not accept it, but you will observe this within some few minutes, and then you'll realize, because whatever we do in our life, that is always in the same action. Okay, now all of us are sitting in our home. If we just observe in front of us, there might be a cupboard, a building, anything placed. Just see to it. First, you'll be observing the things placed on the left hand side and then towards the right hand side. The first instance, the first ray will go towards the left hand side and then towards the right hand side. The fraction, it is in fraction of seconds, but this is what actually happens. This is how our brain works in stimulation with our eyes, because it is a natural process. Everything they are doing like this. But maths, we do the opposite way. And that is the reason why our speed gets slow. But in Vedic mathematics, you get this facility, you get this option. Either you can do it from left to right or right to left. Both the ways you can do. And that is the reason your speed gets increased. This is the foremost reason behind it. Any doubt on this? Any questions regarding this?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Second reason. Now I'll ask you one question specifically for math teachers. What is 576 into 121? Okay. Palvi, when I asked you this question, what did you do? What did you think?
What? Can you just repeat?
I asked, what is 576 into means multiply by 121?
I need time to think now.
What? That is agreed. You need time to calculate. But what is the first action? The first thing you'll do is you'll write 576 and below that you'll write 121. That is correct?
Yes.
Okay. Remember this thing. Yes, Mr. Sudhir.
Yes, sir.
How will you do?
Yeah, we'll start multiplication from right hand side, 1 into 6, then 1 into 7, like that.
Correct. Just remember this thing only. Now, after a few minutes, you'll see, you'll start visualizing the numbers. Now, visualization means you will see what is behind the numbers. I will not ask you to visualize, but you will do it. And so this subject that improves your visual ability. Then you'll find a reasoning skills, how this has to be done. And then you apply a logic. So with Vedic mathematics, it improves your visual ability, it enhances your reasoning skills, and improves your logic. And any student, any person who has these three things, visual ability, reasoning skills, and logics, they come across any situation in life. आप किसी भी problem में भी आ जाते हो, तो what do you think first? You'll try to visualize. दिमाग में हम सोचने लग जाते हैं, what is the problem? If we think that way, if you try to find the reasons, apply proper logic, you'll never find difficult in any situation in your life. So that is why research are being done on this. This is known as life-changing process. That is why in UK, US, Sweden, Netherlands, this subject is being added so that students should learn how to visualize, how to find the reasons, how to apply the logics. So Vedic maths is a life-changing process. And when all these three things are stronger, your speed automatically gets increased. Got it? Any question? So I'll give you 4 different reasons why our speed gets increased. Yes, Satish? You raise your hand. Satish, any question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Third reason. Now this reason is more related to our females. Yes, Jyoti, what happens when maid is absent? Pallavi. Santosh. What happens when maid is not present? Do you take more time to complete your household jobs or you do it faster? हाँ जी ज्योति, मेड जिस दिन छुट्टी पे होती है काम जल्दी हो जाता है या देर लगती है?
I don't know. I'm actually in 9th.
Still, you might have seen your mother.
Yeah, like I think it takes time. It takes time to complete your chores.
No, sir. It will be very faster than as usual.
जल्दी होता है सर, वेट नहीं करना पड़ता है
क्योंकि आप डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो. ठीक है?
जी जी.
Same thing in Vedic maths, you are not dependent on paper, pen. Everything, every calculation, you are drawing it with your mind. When you are doing everything mentally, you're not using paper, you are not using pen. So automatically it would be faster. Pallavi, with examples you will understand. Got it?
Okay.
4th reason. Now, so your mother is not sitting along with?
No, she is not sitting with me.
So you should have discussed this question with her. Okay. Now, 4th reason. Now, we understood that, yes, everybody knows that this is mental calculation, this is mental mathematics. So that means when you are calculating, you are keeping something in your mind, in your intellect. So what happens? Your both right brain and left brain, they start activating. And it is very clear that it is known to all that people who are more logical, they have their left brain active. And people who are more connected to arts, their right brain works more. But with Vedic mathematics, both these brains get activated. And that is the reason your speed gets increased immediately. Got it? There are questions when you'll see you do two work at a time. That is one, with one you are doing calculation, and with one part you are thinking what will come next. So that is a very good exercise, multiplication with two, where you learn two things at a time. And similarly in entire Vedic mathematics, this happens, right? So these are the four basic reasons why our speed gets increased. Any doubt on this? Any questions you have? Yes, so all of you are ready to increase your speed?
Yes, sir.
So please
Yes, sir.
open up your paper and pen. Let us start calculations. So first topic we'll be doing is, let me write. Multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Please remember the topic. I'll ask you the question on this also. And now everyone has to answer. Now, multiplication with 11, you'll say it is very easy. Yes, it is very easy because 11 is such a number. If you multiply with any single digit, whatever is single digit, you have to write it twice. If it is multiplied by 2, it is 22. If it is multiplied by 5, it becomes 55. If it is multiplied with 9, it becomes 99. Yes, everyone knows this up till here. Jyoti, itna aata hai? Yes, Jyoti, table 11 tak ka aata hai na?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what will happen when the same number is multiplied by 2 digits? Now, what do we do? What we have learned till now is 23, 11, 0, 3, 2. And we got the answer 253. So how many steps we have taken? Multiply 1, multiply 2, and then addition. Now see the Vedic mathematics. First digit as it is. Last digit
Last.
as it is. In between, add the two numbers. ज्योति समझ आया? देख कहीं और ध्यान है? 2 और 3 कितना होता है? 5. In between, add the two numbers. मतलब दोनों को ऐड कर दो. 2 + 3 is 5. पहला digit as it is, last digit as it is. In between, add the two numbers. अब आ गया समझ? Okay, if it is 33, then yes, everyone.
363.
363.
ट्राई करो इतना कैलकुलेटर पे फास्ट है या आपने फास्ट बोला? Yes. Okay. 45 into 11.
495.
Yes. Basha, Jyoti,
495.
Pallavi.
495.
Now, Pallavi, just take a calculator and try to type and see who was faster. Your calculator. Yes, Satish. Sudhir. Who was faster? Okay, this is just small digits. We'll go up till 5. 63 into 11.
693.
ज्योति समझ आया?
Yes, yes.
आ गया? चलो. Pallavi,
Got it.
36.
396.
Now, Pallavi, are you fast or your calculator is fast?
I am fast.
Done. This is just the start. Now, this was when you don't have carryover. When both the digits you were adding, it was not having a carryover, right? Now, so 36 was 396. What about 37? So just remember, first digit as it is, second digit 10, third 7. But now you have to remember one thing. एक principle, एक चीज सीखते हैं हम. In math we have unit place, tens place, 100 place, and like this. So how many digits can come under one place value? Only one digit you can accommodate. Only one. Yes, if it is last, you can have any number. So at unit place, we are having one digit. How can we have two digits at tens place? So what happens? You move this way. So you can even write like this, 3. This is known as balancing line. यहाँ पे हमने वो जो खाली space है, उसकी बजाय एक artificial line create कर दी, knowing a balancing line. We add 10, 7. So here we have single digit. We have to have single only here. So extra digit we just move. It becomes 407. Is it clear or any doubt? Yes, Satish, you have raised the hand. Any point?
Yes, sir. Yes. It is clear. I got the point.
Okay. See, 28, 2, 10, 8. That means 308. $39. So 3, 12, 9. That means 4, 2. Yes, Pallavi, are you getting?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Anyone who is not able to understand, you can tell me so that we'll repeat the things. Yes. Anyone?
I got it, sir.
All of you got it? Great. See, because this is just 2 digits, we'll have to go for the bigger. So at that time, it would be more easy if you understand the base. Okay. 77. Yes, what is the answer? Jyoti, Pallavi, what is the answer? 8.
847.
Yes, Jyoti, what is the answer? Pallavi?
847.
ज्योति बताओ कहाँ दिक्कत आ रही है अब? Okay. 7, 14, 7. So 8, 847. 86.
946.
946. Everybody done? ज्योति हुआ है या नहीं? थोड़ा सा तो प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी आपको बाद में. So that is the reason मैंने बोला था first single digit addition आना चाहिए. Okay. So what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
So what is 99 into 11?
1089.
Yes.
1065.
Pallavi, what is 99 into 11? Santosh, what is 99 into 11? Rameshwar?
1089.
1069.
How 6?
89.
1089. Pallavi, 9 plus 9 is 18. So
Oh
it's
yeah.
81. 9 into 9, 81.
So
Sir, 9 into 17. 17, 17, 1, 9.
सर हम 99 into 11 कर रहे हैं. So that means 9,
1089.
18, 9. 1089.
1089. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
No issue. आप क्या सोच रहे थे? Okay. So any question from 11 to 99? Anyone has any doubt in 2-digit numbers? Yes, Pallavi, Jyoti. Any question? Okay. Let's go for bigger numbers. 1, 2, 3 into 11. Again, first digit as it is. Then first pair. 1 plus 2, 3. Second pair, 2 plus 3, 5. And last as it is. Eight, 7. 2 as it is. 2 plus 8, 10. 8 plus 7, 15. And 7 as it is. So 3, 1, 5, 7. Is it clear? ज्योति साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस करो, नहीं तो भूल जाओगे फिर. इसीलिए बोला था पेपर एंड पेन.
समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इसलिए समझ नहीं लिखे कि समझे ध्यान नहीं दिया.
चलो एक बार ठीक है. Yes, others. Basha.
Yes, sir. I got.
Satish. Anyone who is not able to understand? Pallavi, Santosh, Karishma.
No, sir, clear.
Got it? Okay. So now we'll take 1 or 2 other big numbers. 6, 8, 5 into 11. So what is the answer?
Seven, 5, 3, 5.
Yes, everyone.
Correct.
6, 14, 13, 5. So 7, 7, 5, 3, 5. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone has doubt on this? Anyone who has
Is this the
question?
same format for? Is this the same for any digits? Is it 4, 5, 6?
Yes.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 10. We'll understand what is the basic. Any doubt now? Okay. So what is the largest 3-digit number? Yes, Pallavi.
999.
Okay. Now what is 999 into 11 then?
10989.
10989.
Yes, Pallavi. आंसर नहीं दिया आपने. ज्योति.
बोलना हो ध्यान से.
10989.
Very good. So any doubt now of this 3-digit numbers? Is is it really difficult? But if you observe, okay, we'll do after, understand that. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. 4 digits. So 1, 3, 5,
1, 3, 5,
7,
7,
4.
4.
So Mr. Mehboob Basha, were you able to do this earlier?
No.
So that means
Now it is so.
within 5 minutes or maximum 6 minutes, you are able to understand and you are able to calculate mentally.
Yes, sir.
That means Vedic maths is not that much tough. What it seems to be, or what people have make it, it's very easy, because that is what, see, this is just one point we have discussed. We'll go further. Yes, everybody understood this? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 4. And generally, if somebody had a word with, I'll tell you that also. Any questions? Okay, 1, 6, 7, 8, 5 into 11. Please do it.
Sir, your screen was stuck.
Now,
Can you repeat the number?
6, 7, 8, 5 into 11. Yes, Satish. Sudhir.
7, 4,
7, 4, 6, 3, 5.
It is 74635, sir.
Very good. Pallavi. Pallavi, don't think that you are the youngest in 9th class. I'll show you tomorrow. One of my students, she was in class 9th when she became a trainer. You'll see her tomorrow. So this is an opportunity for you. We people are late, actually. We learned this at a very late stage. See, all of these are the people with you. They are professors in mathematics. It is not their fault, but yes, they are learning this at very late stage, because earlier it was not available to them. Vedic maths was not in our country earlier, though it is our own mathematics, but it was not prevalent in India. So take this as an opportunity. Got it? Got the answer? Jyoti, Pallavi,
Yes,
Santosh? Yes? Anyone who is still pending? Ramesh, Shwar, I am not getting any answer from your side.
सर प्रैक्टिस करने पे आ जाएगा, अभी थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा, समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
क्या कह रहे हैं?
प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, समझ में आ रहा है, बट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आ सकता है।
देखिए, हम सबकी जितनी भी उम्र है उसमें से 5 साल निकाल दीजिए, तो उतने साल से हम मैथ्स कर रहे हैं। बट अब वैदिक मैथ्स हमें 10 मिनट हुए ना, तो 10 मिनट में रट नहीं जाएगा। बट ये जो अभी तक कराया, अगर ये आप नहीं कर पा रहे तो थोड़ी कमी आपकी भी, ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा। हमें फास्ट करना ही पड़ेगा। दिस इज वेरी सिंपल, वी आर गोइंग ऑन। अभी तक जो चीज कर रहे हैं, अभी मैं जब ब्रीफिंग करूंगा, आई मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी आर डूइंग। ओके, सो वी हैव टू पुट अप, सी, कॉन्फिडेंस पहले लाओ ज्योति। डोंट थिंक मुझसे नहीं होगा, जस्ट थिंक आई कैन डू। सी, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ वैदिक मैथ्स? इट इज अ जर्नी ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, a journey of, I call it, for students, I do say it is a journey of transformation from fear of maths, जिसको भी fear of mathematics का, to confidence in mathematics. It will give you so immense confidence, and you'll start feeling, yes, I can do anything. And the second thing, it gives you that feeling, I can. If you have this feeling in your life, I can, then nothing is impossible in your life. So just be optimistic, just be positive, don't mind. Today you'll be getting the homework. When you do the homework, अपने आप आ जाएगा सब कुछ। आपको नोट्स मिलेंगे, उसमें सारा ये लिखा आएगा, एक एक चीज। Still, if you had any doubts, tomorrow is there. So we'll discuss tomorrow again. Okay. So what is the largest 4-digit number?
4 times 9.
Please do it. I'll be back within 1 second. Okay. So
10 9 9 8 9, sir.
10 9 9 8 9. Pallavi, have you done? Jyoti, have you done?
Yes, I've
Karishma?
finished it.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So now, if somebody had a word with me, I always discuss this. I ask this question: what to, you know, what is 1 2 3 4 5? Now you can find the answer into 11. Yes, Mr. Sudhir, Mr. Basha, all of you.
1 3 5 7 9 5.
Now, can you type this on calculator before? Which will take more time. Yes,
1 3 5
13575.
795. 1
Nine.
3
95. That's what
5
Thank you.
7
Uh,
9.
95.
Okay. So that means everybody is able to do up till 5. Okay, 5. Let's have one big question also. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 11.
Six, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9.
How are you finding this, Sheikh Mehboob Basha?
So, so excited to skip this
And
numbers.
don't see, I was right in saying, Pallavi, yes, we all missed it. We started
Yeah,
pretty
that's
late.
true.
And after this, the topic I'll touch, we'll feel that it was so difficult to cram, and now it is
5.
6 2 4 6 7 9.
see
6 2 4 6 7 9.
11, yes, 13, 15,
5. Yeah. 13, 15, 17, 9.
17, 9. So 6, 2. Yes, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9. Clear or still any doubt? Anyone has any questions, any doubts? See, then I'll take a test now. So please ask me the questions now. Jyoti, test में बहाना नहीं चलेगा. तो पहले पूछ लो question. Pallavi, any questions? Sudhir, any questions you have? Rameshwar Gaikwad. Daniel. So nobody has any questions today? Okay. Great. Now, I have a question. What was the topic?
So multiplication of a number with 11.
Okay.
It's multiple.
Multiplication.
So where did we multiply? Where did we multiply?
In the mind.
Did you
No,
multiply?
sir. Actually, no. We have just added digits.
So we added the numbers.
See, when we are in a class of second or third standard, we are taught that 2 into 5 is 10. At that age, we don't know this. What is multiplication? So then the teacher teaches 2 should be added 5 times because multiplication is repetitive action of addition, and they teaches us this thing. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10, just to make us understand that what 2 into 5 means. Right? We all learned this way. But now, here we are not even doing repetitive multiplication. It was 23 into 11. Did we add it 23 11 times? No. Here we are adding corresponding digits. We're just adding the corresponding digits. Adding the corresponding digits. So how easy are calculations? Second thing, anything different you did now? Pallavi, Jyoti, anything different?
Can you repeat the question?
I'm saying anything. Now you were calculating with 11. Anything you find different while calculating?
Yeah,
Okay,
because I am adding those numbers
that
and getting far.
we were adding the corresponding digits to get the answer. So though our topic was multiplication, we never multiplied.
Yeah.
Correct. This was first thing. Second thing was, for the first time in your life, you all were calculating from left to right. All of you. Everyone was doing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Did anyone do? Anyone was doing like this? 5, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Yes. How many of you did left to right?
So I did with the left to right itself.
So but earlier you never tried with this.
Yeah.
For the first time, that's what I said. For the first time in your life, you did left to right. Now try to do right to left and just compare your speed itself. Don't think of me. Just compare your speed yourself and tell me what you observe. Yes, Jyoti?
Okay.
Sudhir? Satish?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? Left to right, we are going for the first time. If we just check now, okay, let's proceed with our natural way, what we do maths, right to left. So which is easy now? You didn't experience anything?
नहीं आता।
Yes, Pallavi.
ये प्रॉब्लम लैंग्वेज है ना।
I found left to right to be much easier than right to left and faster.
You, since now you're in 9th standard, from 1st to 9th, you were doing from right to left only. Calculations were always, maths was always right to left. So that means what I said initially, that whenever we are doing left to right, it increases our speed. That is found correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So always try to do this way. You'll find in few days, you'll develop this habit and your every calculations will start going mentally. You'll be able to do okay. So now if the topic was clear, let's come for the test. 141 into 22. Yes, everyone. Sudhir, Satish, Rameshwar, Amit. ज्योति, कोशिश तो करनी पड़ेगी ज्योति, नहीं तो फिर कभी भी नहीं आएगा।
3102.
ओके, कैसे, क्या किया आपने?
पहला मैंने फर्स्ट 1 को 1 रख दिया. Add the numbers 1, 5 is 1 and 4 is 5. Next 4 and 1 is 5. Last one. It's a multiple of 2, so I have multiplied 2. 2, 10, 10, 2.
Sorry, multiple of
2. It's a 22 is a multiple of 11 into 2.
Okay.
So इसको मैंने डबल कर दिया जो भी हमने ऐड किया था.
Okay. तो आपने 141 into 2 को पहले या 282 into 11 किया या 1551 into 2 किया?
1551 into 2.
Okay.
मैं डायरेक्टली 2 नहीं किया, डिजिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया.
कोई बात. Yes, others. बट एक बात बताओ, जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, अगर ये क्वेश्चन मैंने आपसे स्टार्टिंग में पूछा होता तो क्या करते आप?
Obviously we used to start the multiplication to say multiply
So what,
240.
now what you did now, you know what you did?
So break down the number into the comfortable.
Don't think this way. You visualize this thing. Then you find a reason कि yes, it is 2 into 11. Then you applied the logic. So visual ability enhance हुआ. जो क्वेश्चन हम 15 मिनट पहले ऐसे कर रहे थे, we just did it mentally. We found a reason for reasoning skills and logic. All three play important role. Yes, Satish.
Yes,
what
sir,
about
yes,
you,
sir.
Sudhir? How did you do? How did you attempt it?
So same type, sir. So I did 141 into 2 into 11.
Okay. So I asked you before the class or initially, at that time you said we'll multiply. Remember? 576 into 121.
Yes, sir.
So what has happened now? Why we changed our pattern?
So this is easier method.
So that means you have started visualization. You know now
Yes.
11 can be done. See, that is what I was explaining you. Yes, Pallavi, how did you do? Amit?
I multiplied it.
Normal method.
Just like, yeah. Just directly multiplied it.
सोचा ही नहीं, दिमाग में डालो. टीचर ने 11 कराया तो 11 का क्वेश्चन तो नहीं देगा ना, थोड़ा से तो आगे पीछे करेगा. What? Yes, Amit. Okay. Now see, there are two methods. Now this is 141 into 22. That means either you can do 141 2 into 11, 282 into 11. This can be done mentally. I am just writing the steps so that you should understand one time. 102. The other way out was 141 into 22 means correct. So how many of you did by first?
Sir, I did with the first step.
Okay. Others? Second?
I think first method is easy, sir.
Now, why is it easy? And why second is not easy? See, for this particular question, both were correct. But always remember, whenever you are getting a multiple of 11, first multiply with the other digit and keep 11 up till the last. Why? Because with 11, you can multiply any big number. You just saw it. Now, just think for an example. If instead of this 22, it was 99. If instead of 22, it was 99, then what you would have done? Just think over it. Then multiplying 141 into small number is easy. Whereas multiplying with bigger number, it is difficult. Are you getting it? Did you understand this? Yes, Pallavi. 141 into 9 is much easier. But 1551 with 9 was difficult. So first multiply with the other number other than 11. So that with 11, you can multiply any big number. Even if it is 10-digit number, you will be able to multiply mentally. But with other numbers, you cannot. Of course, with 2, you can multiply mentally. 4, you can multiply mentally. 8, you can multiply mentally. But not with 3, not with 6. Clear? Any doubt? Any questions you have?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Let's take another number. 576 into 121. Yes. Expecting answer from everyone now.
Six nine six nine six.
How did you attempt it? Yes, Sudhir.
So I have divided that 121 as 11 into 11.
Again, the same
So
point.
twice I applied.
So 11, you know it is very easy now. 6, 3, 3, 6. Again 11. 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. And otherwise, what we were doing? 3 times multiplication, so many carryovers, and then addition. Yes, Sudhir. Is it clear now?
Yeah, yes, sir. I got that answer. 69696.
No, you understood. You only changed.
Yes, sir.
See, before the class, you were doing with a different method. Your approach was different. And just understanding one point, starting visualization, starting finding the reasons, applying the logics. Now you can solve the same question mentally, because now 576 with 11 is very simple to you. 6336, and then 69696. Done.
Yes, sir.
Pallavi. Pallavi, any doubt? Satish?
No doubt,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Okay. So this is now it is not that it works with only 11. So when you'll be getting homework, first thing you'll be getting to multiply with 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. You know now how to do it, right? So this system does not work only with 11, but when the number of ones are more. See how. Now, we just did 1, 2, 3 into 11. And we got 1, 3, 5, 3. Then you increase this side numbers up till 5 also, 6 also, you can do 7. What will happen if this side numbers are increased? What will happen if it is 1, 2, 3 into 3 times 1? Now, you know, there is a difference between a children's workshop and a teacher's workshop. Children will ask you every question, whatever comes in their mind, they'll ask. But with teachers, we think, what will other person feel? We are not focusing to gain knowledge. We are focusing that what other will feel. Nobody asked me why I was making pairs. Why not in 5 numbers, I added all 3 together, or 4 together, or 5 together? Yes?
Because in the previous we have only 2 digits, so we added two digits.
We had
11
5
we have
also,
a 2.
sir. Sir, we did with 5 digits also.
No,
One,
no,
two.
I'm talking about with 11. In
Yes.
11 we have a 2
Correct.
digits.
1, 2.
Then we have 2 ones. So the maximum combination would be 2 digits. Maximum combination, I'm saying. Now we have 3 ones. So the combination would be, maximum combination would be 3. Now see, first as it is 1, then 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Now, after that, what we had, we shifted 2 plus 3 in 11. But here we'll do 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. And then we'll start moving towards the right. 5. And then 3. Is it clear? Or any doubt, any questions you have in this? Yes, Mehboob, Basha, Sudhir, Pallavi, Jyoti, Karishma.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone? So everybody knows.
Sir, in case if you have a 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Will come. Will come. First,
Okay.
let's solve all 3 digits. We'll have, yes, anyone? Amit Kumar. Rameshwar, Amit, Santosh, no answers, no questions. Satish, Sudhir.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, there is one question in mind.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, we do the calculation in the trivial or regular way. We want calculation by using sutras and sub-sutras.
Sorry, come again. You want?
I want calculations using sutras and sub-sutras.
I am using a sutra only, but in the workshop you cannot remember sutra name. This is from one sutra only. See, first you need to
Sutra.
understand the things. Here you are finding people are not able to understand also right now. So sutras are there. This is also the sutra behind this is Sopandaya Mantya. Sopan Daya Daya Mantya. And that particular sutra was done for multiplication with 12. But later it was found that yes, it is applicable from 11 to 19 and number of ones. So yes, you can ask, I'll answer you. Whatever question is coming in your mind, you can ask me. But if I start doing with the sutra name, they'll not understand right now. They're all freshers, right?
Okay, sir.
You can switch on your camera. Why are you hiding? Yes. Now, with the 4 digits also. 1, 2, 3, 4 into triple 1. First is 1. Second, 3. Then
3.
6. Now up till here, everybody has done clear. Now, as we did for 2 11s. Now we cannot have 4 included in this. We cannot have a combination of 4 digits. So what we'll do, we'll shift towards left. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9, and then 7, and then 4. Now is it clear? Anyone has a question on this? See, you can take any big number, any small number. The only thing is your concept should be clear. So once your concept is clear, nothing is difficult here. Got it? Or any doubt? Any questions you have now? Okay. If you'll not ask questions, then we'll proceed and we'll finish up fast. Otherwise, last official time is 2 to 4, so we'll finish by 4. Otherwise, last workshop it went up till 3:15. 3 hours, 15 minutes because they had questions. You are not asking, so how can I answer you? You don't have any questions, so should I assume everybody knows everything?
Sir, do we have only for ones, or do we have any other numbers like a 12, 13 and all?
Yes, this particular sutra, if we talk about this sutra, this, see, in Vedic mathematics, there are two types of things. One is general techniques, which is applicable on all the numbers. And then we have specific techniques, which are applicable on certain numbers. Now, in multiplication, if I talk about, there are 2 general techniques. One is known as Nikhilam Sutra multiplication or base method multiplication. Second is Urdhva Sutra or crisscross multiplication. And then we have specific techniques. First is Antya Yor Dashke multiplication. Then we have multiplication with 9, 99, 999. That is multiples of 9. Then we have multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Then with 111, 4 times 1, 5 times 1. Then we have from 11 to 19 concept. Then we have 101, 10001. So there are concepts, but you know, everything cannot be taught in one workshop. Every concept you will not be able to understand also. And I don't want to do like this. I'll teach you 10 concepts and you don't understand even a single. So first master this. I showed you initially only. If you master 2-3 these concepts, you'll be able to teach to the small children easily. And once you'll start teaching, then you'll be able to learn also more. ज्योति कुछ कहना है आपको?
Sir, can you solve this question again once more?
Yes. कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आया पूछो?
After like you added 1, 2, and 3, then
Okay,
you
that's-
again added 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yes.
And
Why
then
I
what
added-
did you do?
Now your question
You
is why I added 2, 3, 4, correct?
Yeah.
See, here I have 111. So that means the maximum. Now, okay, let me take you back. When we did 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11, what we did first was 1, then it was 3. So that means these two combinations done. After that, what we did? We shifted.
We added 2, and 3.
That means we shifted towards right hand side.
Yes.
Why? Because the maximum combination was over. Then we wrote 5. Then again maximum. Then again we shifted towards right. Here also, see, you cannot have more than 3. 1, 2, 3 ones. So once you reach the maximum combination, you will always shift towards right.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. One more question on this only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 111. Yes, please solve.
One three five five nine eight two nine
Okay.
five.
See, 1, 3, 6.
5.
Here cannot be 5.
Oh, 6, 6.
9. And then 12. Then 9. Then 5. So 1, 3, 7, 0, 2, 9, 5. Now is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you have, you can ask. Now see again. Okay. Now here it was 111. If I ask you to multiply 12 into 111, now do it.
Zero, 1, 3, 3, 2.
Yes, everyone. See, we just need to balance. Here we have 3 because that will make your calculation easy. So 0, you can have like this. 1, 3. So all 3 done. Then these two also 3. And then 2. So 1, 3, 3, 2 is your answer. Any doubts, any questions you have, please ask. Yes, anyone has any questions now? Okay. So last 5, 6, 7, 8 into 111. Please solve it.
Six three zero two five eight.
Yes, Satish, Sudhir.
630258.
Very good. Yes, Sudhir. Basha. Ramesh.
Yes, sir. 630258.
So are you finding any difference between the calculations now? See, same, it can be 222, it can be 333, it can be 4 times 444, 999, and you can do it, right? Let's move further. If it is 4 times 1, what happens? Now the maximum combination could be 4. See the difference. 1, 3, 6. Earlier we were shifting because it was 111. Now it is 4 times 1. So we'll add everything. So 10. And then 9, 7, 4. So this goes here. So 1370974. See the simplicity. Earlier we were multiplying 4 times and then adding. Here it is so simply I got the answer. And that too moving from left to right. Yes, I can go for this also. But always prefer left to right because that will give you more speed. Any doubt now left? Anyone has any question, please ask. So that we'll move towards the second topic. Yes, anyone? Okay. Let's move. So now even if you get 5 times 1, I think you all are able to do it. Yes? Or you want? Okay, let's. You'll be able to do it now. Just try this, and then we'll move.
Is it 1371-65295?
1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 14,
14,
11,
12, 11,
7,
9,
sorry, 9 and 5.
9,
1, 3, 7, 1, 6, 5, 1, 9, 5. So is it not easy than our normal maths multiplication? Okay.
Sir, that is not 11, I think 12, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Sorry. Done? Let's come back. So this was the first advantage we discussed. Why Vedic mathematics? Because it helps us to solve 10 to 15 times faster. So how many of you believe this now? That speed increased. Yes, Satish. Sudhir ji.
Sir, yes, of course, speed get easily increased.
See, we have just done one topic, but in that one topic itself, we feel yes, it can increase. Yes, Jyoti,
जी सर
Pallavi,
समझ के सर आ रहा है बट प्रैक्टिस करने से आ जाएगा कुछ समझ
थोड़ा
में
सा
आ रहा
करना
है
पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा. देखो वो प्रैक्टिस तो करना पड़ेगा. यस पाशा,
करना पड़ेगा समझ में आ रहा है
थोड़ा सा तो करनी पड़ेगी मेहनत. आप टच में भी नहीं हो ना,
जी सर
आप टच में नहीं हो ना, बाकी सारे प्रोफेशन में अभी, तो वो बहुत
यस सर
डिफरेंस
यस
होगा. कोई बात,
हाँ यस सर
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हो जाएगा. ये आज का होमवर्क करोगे तो हो जाएगा ये सारा टॉपिक क्लियर.
यस
यस
सर
सुधीर,
प्रैक्टिस करेंगे
पल्लवी,
You start solving faster, and it reduces the time of solving
you
too.
you feel that your speed has increased or not?
Yes, I
Because
feel it
this-
has increased
this is what-
confidence.
See, this is what I discussed with your mother. I told specifically to her that ask her to join. She'll feel the difference and then she'll come back to you. So I think whatever I said to her, that is
Yeah.
okay. Let's move further. Okay. Now the second thing is, so this is what we did. Testing everything. We were actually. Now the second major reason why Vedic mathematics, because it reduces burden to learn tables. So how many of you have a fear factor from tables? Admit nahi karna.
I have it.
Every child, every teacher has it. I know, I can understand because it's very difficult to accept, but yes, we all do have, because the way we have been trained to cram the tables, write the tables every time, that is always a fearful fact. Yes, Satish ji, Sudhir,
Yes,
Pasha,
yes.
tables आसान है याद करने, लिखने.
एक टाइम तक आसान था सर, अभी तो सभी भूल गए, पूरा सिंपल कैलकुलेटर पे चले गए.
नहीं, आज के बाद नहीं चाहिए होगा कैलकुलेटर पे, सिंपली पेपर पे लिख लेंगे आप, बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. एंड सी, वी हैव टू जस्ट एक्सेप्ट दैट चेंजेस आर देयर फॉर आवर बेटरमेंट. You know, I got the chance to train all the teachers of Haryana. I belong to Haryana, so I submitted a proposal last year now, कि we should add Vedic maths in our course curriculum, and that was accepted around 14th of March 2021. And then I started teaching them. Initially, they were very, why should we learn? What is the use? Students are learning already so much. Why should they implement? And now, after 2-3 consecutive classes, what happened? They started implementing this in their own classes. And they have shared me a video now, a government school student writing tables on the with this method. I have taught this to the Nigeria students, I have taught to this UK, United, you'll see the difference. And then you'll realize you all are correct. We are correct. I'll say the only problem was we were not taught about this. Okay. So I'll divide the tables. Again, let us take out our paper and pen. So here what we need is understanding only tables up till 8. From 9 onwards, it is very easy. So I'll divide the tables into 2 parts. First, tables of numbers ending with 9. So you know it, that means 9, 19, 29, 89, 99, 119, or 1000, any big number, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 9, anything. And second, all other tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 digit numbers. Okay, last time I am asking the same question. Why I'm asking, I want you to feel yourself. What is the difference? How much time you need to write a table of 89? Yes, Pallavi.
It will take me a while.
Okay, let's say 60 seconds or how much?
More.
3 minutes, 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay. And if you are able to write within 10 seconds in another 5 minutes, then can you believe? And I will not write, you will write.
I know, I cannot believe it.
You will. Yes, Satishji. 89 table, how much time you need?
Sir, I'm writing table. I'm studying that criteria in Vedic mathematics. It is so simple, but I have no memory to recall it.
I'll tell you. Not to worry. ज्योति, अगर 89 का टेबल बोलूं तो कितना देर चाहिए आपको?
टाइम चाहिए सर, नहीं लिख पाएंगे।
देखो, टाइम माना 5 मिनट बोल दो, 6 मिनट बोल दो, कुछ तो बोलो।
हाँ, 5-6 मिनट लगेगा।
चलो, अगर 10 सेकंड में आपने लिखा फिर
अच्छा ही है, सबसे अच्छा है सर।
चलिए, यस बादशाह, सुधीर।
For me, it will take a 3 to 4 minutes. 3 minutes.
Great. Yes, see, why I'm asking you this is, I want you to feel, to experience that when you'll feel that change, yes, I have done it, then that excitement, that happiness will give you the confidence. See, initially why I told you to congratulate yourself. Anything you do good, anything you are doing new, this should happen. And same, you should imagine yourself what is the difference. Then nobody can teach you anything. These life experiences you have to learn on your own. Knowledge I can share you, but experience you have to create your own. Yes. Okay. Now see. Now this is a crisscross table, but when we'll be teaching to the kids, we'll not do like this. We'll show them the TikTok table and then ask the question, and then you can check. If you're looking forward to give webinars or workshops for kids, so please do check the workshops which I have done with the kids. It needs more excitement. It needs more game like features. So you have to do. First thing is write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is from leftmost corner, move towards the middle line, and you move towards top. Up till here, everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here we'll be applying the first sutra of Vedic mathematics, that is known as Ekadikena Purvena. Now that means adding 1 to the previous number. Adding 1, translation says 1 more. Mathematical meaning is adding 1 to the previous number. Let's say we have to write a table of 19. A very simple example I'm giving you. First thing is complete it, 19. Now, whatever number you have before 9, here this is 9. Whatever number you have before 9, add 1 to it. You get a new number. So every time, now it is 19, so we got 2. If it would have been 89, so 8 plus 1 was 9. If it was 119, so 11 plus 1 was 12. So whatever number or numbers, whatever digit or digits are before 9, add 1 to those digit or digits. Got that concept up till here? Now, this 2, it has to be added to this and then corresponding every digit. So what is 1 plus 2? Yes, Jyoti, 1 plus 2 कितना होता है?
3.
Karishma, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, we have to go opposite now. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 13, 15, 17, and the last is 19 with 0. Now, what is this? It is a table of 19. In 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 4s are 76, 5 95, 6 114, 7 133, 8 152, 9 171, and 10 190. How many seconds we took? Not more than 15 seconds in this. Yes? समझ आया ज्योति? Pallavi?
Sir, can you just like explain it once more?
Yes, we'll take another example and then explain. First step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's say a number is 39. I have to write a table of 39. So 3 is the previous number of 9. We add 1 to it. New number is 4. Up till here, clear, Pallavi?
Yes.
So what is 3 plus 4?
7.
7 plus 4? Fast. 7 plus 4?
11,
11 plus 4?
15,
15 plus 4?
19,
19 plus 4? 23.
23,
23 plus
23.
4? 27.
27,
35.
31.
39. Done? Yes, Pallavi, how many seconds?
5. More than?
More than? Yes,
So
anyone?
this only works with all the 9 ones, or like the numbers ending with 9, right?
Numbers ending with 9, where unit place is 9. Let it be a 2-digit number, let it be a 3. See, I gave you initially only. I'm dividing the tables into 2 parts. First, numbers ending with 9, and second, all others numbers. See, we can do this 9 also with the other method. But what happens? You need to know both the things. Anyone has any doubt now? Yes, Satish, Basha.
No, sir. No, sir.
It's a simple. I've tried 89th table just now.
Okay. How many seconds you took?
It's 15 seconds.
So
10 to
earlier,
15.
and earlier you said how many minutes?
3 minutes.
So how much percent time you have reduced your time?
Yes, sir. I can experience this.
Okay. ज्योति समझ आया?
जी सर
समझ आया?
29 यस सर बट 49 का अगर हो तो कैसे
सारों का कर देते हैं.
हाँ 49
49 का और इजी हो जाएगा. $49. So 49 का मतलब you have to add 5. Because
Yes,
4 plus 1 is 5. So 9 plus 4
Yes.
plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 9 plus 5 is 14. 19, 24, 29, 34, 39, 44, 49. Done, Jyoti?
यस सर
अब हो गया.
यस सर
अब 89 का करिए. पल्लवी 89, सतीश 89. Just think क्या बोला था आपने पहले for 89 and see how much you have attained. Like Mr. Basha is saying, he said 3 minutes. 3 minutes means 180 seconds. Now he is able to do in 15 seconds. So can you believe 15 seconds means how much? 12 times faster. And that too without practice. If you can do within 5 minutes, your speed has increased 12 times. So just think if you practice how much times your speed would increase. And speed is not, it's not only speed, it is giving you that confidence. So students who are going for entrance examination, they particularly need speed. Yes, done 89, Pallavi.
Yes, finished it.
How many seconds?
Around 30 seconds. It took 30 seconds.
But you gave time of 5 minutes. So 5 minutes means 300 seconds. And you have done in 30 seconds, 10 times faster. That is very good. 10 times you have improved your speed. Or the other way is saying you have yourself changed 10 times, improved yourself. Feeling some confident or not?
Yes.
This is just two concepts. You know, in your ninth standard, you have algebra, you have algebraic multiplication, where you take 7 steps. We can do that within one line. To find a square root and cube root, you have to make factors. We don't need. We just visualize and tell the answer. That is known as Viloknam Sutra, by mere observation. This is the magic of Vedic math. Otherwise, why government would have introduced this in our course curriculum? Okay. Yes, everybody has done. No answer. Today we all have all professors and lecturers, so all. Yes. Rameshwar not answering. Karishma. Yes, Satish. Yes. Any questions, Satish, now? Okay. Let's come back. Now, this was the first type. It's not only you can write the table of 80 up till 2-digit numbers. I'll just give you one example of a bigger number also. So let's say if we have number, what number you want? Yes, give me any number, 3-digit, 4-digit. Yes, Basha, any number?
149.
Oh, okay. So that means 14 plus 1, I need 15. I need 15 to be added every time. Right? So what is 14 plus 15? 29. What is 29 plus 15? 44. What is 44 plus 15? 59. What is again 15? 74. Again 15. 89. Again 15. 104. Again 15. 119. Again 15. 134. Again 15. 1490. Why I always write this last is it gives you a check. Yes, you are correct. Done? Pallavi, how many seconds?
10 seconds.
Now you cannot write 149 table otherwise. That's not practical. And you know, see, my point is very simple. Why I started with Vedic mathematics, this is just by one point. Why do we have fear in kids? Why do students have a fear of mathematics? If you just analyze, if you just see the survey reports, whenever our results of 10th class, 12th class are released, so many students commit suicide. Why? Because they failed. And what is the major subject? Mathematics. 99.9% students who fail in maths are there. Other subjects are also there, but maths is major. So can we not do something? That was the only reason why I entered this field. A very simple reason was this. Just think, why for just now in class 1, kids have only addition. Class 2, subtraction and addition. Still they go wrong in that. Because they don't have anything to check. They don't know how to verify their answers. Satish, I think Satish was telling or somebody else, here we have a magic thing, a magic verification tool that is known as digit sum. With that, you can just verify your answers in mathematics. So if you verify your answers, if you have that tool with you, see, you'll never go wrong. And that will enhance, further add to your confidence only. If you know whatever you have attempted, that is correct, then you'll always be positive, optimistic, feeling the joys from inside. Okay. So this subject is very important now. Okay. Another question now. Now, how much time you need to write a table of 87? Yes, Pallavi.
Around 5 minutes, but I think I will start solving it in 10 seconds now.
Yes, Jyoti. अब बता दो. Satish. Now, minded, it is not ending with 9. So don't think 10 seconds the same. Yes, sorry. Satish.
हाँ बोलो सर.
87 का
1
कितनी
minute,
देर
1
लगना चाहिए?
1 minute.
Very good. That should be the confidence. Okay. Yes, Sudhir. Basha.
After studying, I think it is around 10 seconds, sir.
No, it will not go by that method. That's why I have specifically asked 87, not 89. But now you'll realize where we all are doing mistake, where our books are doing mistake. See, okay, how do we teach 87 table? If we have to teach somebody to write a 87, what do we teach? 87 plus 87. Then again add. Then again add. And in this we make so many because there are multiple carryovers. So we make so many silly mistakes. But now I'll tell you what a secret, like, which we never thought of. 8, 7. If I just consider that this is unit place, this is tens place, and if I write the table separately, can we do this immediately? Because we all know the tables up till 9. Now, since it is a unit place, one digit is 10, one unit, no problem. As it is, can be rearranged. Here, can we have 2 digits at unit place? 4 is okay. Can we have 2 digits? So what do? I just add 16 plus 1 and it becomes 17. Now, what is easier? Adding 87 plus 87 is easier, or 16 plus 1 is easy? Again here, 1 as it is, 2 goes here, 26. So just 24 plus 2. Here also 32 plus 2, 34. 5, 40 plus 3, 43. Yes, Satish, Sudhir, Basha. Is it tough? We
No, sir.
are working only on one thing, that at every place value you should have 1 digit. That's all. And this all of us learn. We teach to the students. But where do we implement? Nowhere. Yes, Pallavi, got the concept?
Yes.
See, we never thought of, did you ever thought of this?
Never.
And is it tough?
No, not at all.
And in some cases, for example, if I'll give you, if it is a table of 12, let's say. Now 12, so 6, 8, 10, and here 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, One digit, okay, as it is, as it is, as it is, as it is. So at 4 place values, you are not even adding 12. You're writing as it is. And here also sometimes we make silly mistakes while adding. And here only 1, 6, 0. You know, once I was teaching a child from Scotland. He also went back to his father when I taught this concept. Hey, what the hell we were learning from so many years? And it is a fact. See, I cannot say yes, everything is wrong in our curriculum, but there are certain things which we have been taught the habit of cramming. If we just feed them with one thing, yes, the concept is 1 digit at 1 place value and the things are done. Anything, any difficulty in this? Pallavi, oh sorry, Jyoti, Santosh.
जी सर
समझ आया ये?
समझ आ रहा है बट
हर चीज में बट मत लगाओ, कोशिश हर चीज में बट
कोशिश करेंगे सर, आएगा ये
आएगा।
है कि कोशिश करेंगे आएगा।
3 digit 10 4 2 15 6 3 4 8 20 25. What happens? 1 2 5 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 goes here, it becomes 2 5 0. 5 as it is, 7 3 7 0 0. Now here it becomes 8 and 2 is 10. So again 0 will be here, 1 goes further. Any doubt, any questions you have now? Yes, Satish, you have any questions? Sudhir?
No, sir.
But Sudhir, one thing is clear, if we start teaching such concepts to the kids, they'll have more active brains. Why do I say more active brains? Because you know what happened? Like when I asked everybody 576 or 574 into 121, we never look at the numbers. We just start writing 5, 7, 4, then below 121. Actually, we are not using our brain to the fullest. But when we visualize, then you start using it. So Vedic maths open up your brains. That is, therefore, it is rightly said, left brain active, right brain active, both the brains start active. Now, you are not asking this question, but I know. Now, someone might ask, or Palvi might ask, if we don't get tables to write, we get multiplication. So how do we tackle that? Let me show you. If it is like 89 only into 9, no need to write the complete tables. This is known as your place-wise multiplication or using the tables. 9 and 9 is 81. Write down as it is. 9 and 8 is 72. Again, the same concept. No, you cannot have 2 digits at unit place. Shift it. So 8, 0, 1. 1, 9, 7, 6, 4. So 24, 28, 32, 4, 0.
So it will be 36.
Which one?
9
Sorry.
4, sir.
Yes. So 3804. No, 39. Clear? Yes, Pallavi.
Got it.
So it's not that you need tables only and you don't, if direct multiplication also comes, you can do this way. Now, what is the difference? Earlier, what you were doing is you were writing 4 here, then 2 carry over. This is where we make mistake. Sometimes we ignore it, sometimes we forget it, sometimes we may, because there are a number of carryovers sometimes. Got it? Any doubts? Any questions you have? Yes. Any questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay. Amit is not there. Right. Coming back. So this is what we did. You all will be getting the notes of this in very short time. So writing a 23 table, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. So after first three levels, you don't have to do anything at all. And then you are just shifting it. Another advantage, why Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces scratch work in mathematics as well as finger counting. Now, how scratch work is reduced? Again, I'll deal with the same example, 574 into 121. Now if you just realize that yes, 121 is 11 into 11, you are able to do it mentally. So that means you're not doing any rough work. Otherwise, we multiply in rough work. So like this, your rough work gets reduced. So that is your scratch work gets reduced, right? As well as finger counting. Now, what is finger counting? Why do child develops this habit of finger counting? There are many reasons behind this. One is when they are going for a preschool, they learn over there. Second thing, they are doing abacus, or they follow some students who are doing abacus, who have the habit of doing counting on fingers, or sometimes it is heredity or anything. But do we really like this habit? Do we like our kids counting on fingers? It gives a very awkward feeling to everybody. Yes? How many of you like this?
Sir, actually, my question is that abacus is the second thing than Vedic mathematics.
I'll explain you difference.
Abacus is second thing in my view, sir.
Yes, I'll tell you. No, Steve, I'll clear all your doubts right now. So now, since you're going to become a Vedic mathematics trainer, every parent will ask you the first question. What is the difference between abacus and Vedic mathematics? I know. See, from last 1 week, I'm dealing with teachers in Nepal, and in Nepal, we don't have Vedic mathematics till now. They have some abacus only. So every teacher had the same question. Sir, difference between abacus and Vedic mathematics. So now this is how abacus works, and the kids are working on fingers. I will not say that abacus is not useful. No, I'll be wrong if I say this. It activates brain, because there also kids are doing mentally. But along with that, they use the tool. So here are the differences. The first difference is limited scope. If you are a teacher right now, I'll ask you, it is used to carry out the major operations of arithmetic. What is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But the moment you go for squares, cubes, square root, cube root, gone. Whereas in Vedic mathematics, you can carry out wider operations. I told you initially also. Arithmetic means all your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. So we have just 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. With the help of that, we can calculate everything in maths. First difference is this. Second difference is we make use of tool. I said, yes, abacus helps to activate brain, but with the help of tool. Is it possible to carry out tool everywhere? If you're going to a class, will you carry out a tool? If you're going for examination hall, will you carry out a tool? No. But Vedic mathematics, it is a mental process. It is a mental learning. See, now today I'm teaching you. You are able to understand because we don't have any restriction in between. If I was using a tool, holding a tool, so many things were difficult. So Vedic mathematics, since it is a mental learning, it becomes easy to teach as well as learn. Right? Is it clear, the difference? Now, Stiji, what question you have? Yes, you had some question regarding abacus. Please ask me now. Pallavi, you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So we move further. It helps to now another advantage. So first advantage we learned, yes, it improves our speed. Second, it reduces burden on us, that is tables. Third, we learned that scratch work gets reduced and finger counting gets removed. Fourth advantage is it helps to increase the concentration levels. Now, what is concentration if we talk about? Concentration comes when you do something repetitively. See, when you find interest in learning, now all of us are fond of games. Why we are not fond of studies or learning? Because we are not able to hold that, we don't find that thing interesting. Now today, when you were calculating, were you not feeling positive from inside? Some positive vibes, some happiness vibes, some joyous vibes were there. Yes, I am able to do this much. Yes, Pallavi, you were laughing at that time. I think you were excited that time.
Yes.
So that means you were feeling positive. See, if we start feeling positive, then only we'll try to do that thing again. Na? If you would have got bored today, will you ever touch Vedic maths again? Or anything, not Vedic maths, let it be any point, any subject, any topic. But when we'll feel interest in that, then only we'll do it again. So this subject, since it gives you that positive vibes, since it gives you that joyous vibes, that is the reason students keep on continuing do the same thing. And moreover, your visual ability, your reasoning skills, your logics are getting stronger. See, overall, you are getting some positive things from it in your brain, right brain, left brain getting activated. When all such things are happening, why will concentration not improve? This is the reason why your concentration increase. So whenever you'll start coaching, whenever you'll start training, your mothers would be coming to you. My student, my child, mera bachcha concentrate nahi kar pata. So the reason behind this is they are not able to get positive vibes. I gave you one example, one point I was telling you, though I have not explained here. Digit sum. Just think of it, you are writing an exam and somebody guides you, yes, or tells you, yes, your question is correct. Won't you feel confident at that time? Won't you feel positive at that time? And you'll be able to do the second question with more efforts, more positivity, more confidence. Yes or no? Satish, Sudhir, Basha.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we try to understand the psychology. Whatever we'll find interest, that only we'll repeat. And digit sum tells you, I told you it is a magical tool which tells you whether you are correct or wrong in maths. So when a student is using that and it's not difficult to learn, digit sum means add the digits and get it. So if you are able to verify your answers, then how good it is. You'll be confident before leaving the paper. You know that, yes, I have done this much 100% correct. And that gives you the confidence. So this is a very important thing, right? So Vedic mathematics helps to increase concentration. It reduces silly mistakes. Now, what are the silly mistakes? If we talk about the kids. Yes, Satish, Sudhir, what are the silly mistakes you find, generally, what students are doing? Pallavi, what do you do? What silly mistakes you do?
While adding or subtracting, I make mistakes, or multiplying, something like that.
It is good to accept. Very first thing is the same thing we do. Now, if you don't have borrow in subtraction, then you will make a mistake.
Yes.
If there is no borrow at all,
I won't agree.
okay. See, now in addition, we don't have multiple carryovers. Just now I showed you place-wise multiplication, how multiplication I carried out. Similarly, place-wise addition is there. So we have very reduced carryovers. In 11 also you saw carryovers were reduced. So when there are less carryover, less chances of mistakes. In addition, coming to subtraction, we don't have borrow system. That's a very 90%, like you admitted, 90% of the students make mistake in subtraction. The biggest mistake we do is we are having a currency of 1,000 rupees and we buy something of 368 rupees. We don't know what would be the balance. See, maths is so important. Every day you need to calculate. But still we make mistake in that. But here you have a single line, one single line like a rhyme, all from 9 and last from 10. That is a single line with which you can solve entire subtraction. So no multiple carryovers, no borrow at all. So that is the reason there are less silly mistakes. Now, do you think any disadvantages? Yes, Satish. Sudhir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Satish ji.
सर एडवांटेजेस बहुत सारे हैं, लेकिन डिसएडवांटेजेस का पता नहीं सर। रेगुलर मेथड जो हमने अप्लाई की हुई ना, सीखी हुई है ना रेगुलर मेथड, वो भूल पाना और इस मेथड को हमें दिमाग में बिठाना थोड़ा सा ये
सतीश जी, ये पिछले साल कहते तो मैं आपको कुछ ना कहता। अब अगर आपने नहीं सीखा तो रेस से आउट आप होंगे, क्योंकि अब तो गवर्नमेंट ने इम्प्लाई कर दिया है। वी डोंट हैव चॉइस नाउ। सतीश जी, लर्निंग की कोई एज नहीं होती। आई टेल यू वन, इफ यू सी माय प्रोफाइल, आई एम हैविंग 1200 स्कूल्स इन इंडिया। पर क्या हुआ, कोविड में बंद हो गए सारे, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज फेल हो गई। बट क्या साथ रहा? मेरी अपनी नॉलेज, मेरी अपनी एजुकेशन। सो नेवर compromise with your knowledge. Always invest on yourself first. बड़े बड़े घर, शोरूम, बिजनेस बना लेंगे आप, अगर खुद पे इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे तो क्या कोविड में आपने देखा कौन सरवाइव कर रहा है कोविड में? यू नो, ओनली द ट्रेनर्स, ओनली द टीचर्स, बिकॉज दे हैड नॉलेज। ये जो आज आपने बोला है, मैं आपको एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग दिखाऊंगा पिछले साल का, जहां पे 110 गवर्नमेंट स्कूल टीचर्स बैठे थे एंड दे सेड द सेम थिंग, सर व्हाई शुड वी टीच। और वो तो हरियाणा के थे, तो आप सोच सकते हो क्या लैंग्वेज थी। एंड व्हाट हैपेंड नाउ, दे आर डूइंग इट बिकॉज दे नो नाउ इफ दे विल नॉट डू एंड स्टूडेंट्स लर्न इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, they will lose their importance. tomorrow I'll introduce you to one teacher of Nigeria, a mathematics teacher from Nigeria. He did Vedic maths from me in 2021, March 2021. Now he's teaching the same subject in his school, but what extra he's getting? The respect, because he's able to give extra to his students. See, मैं नहीं कहता आपकी सैलरी बढ़ जाएगी या कुछ हो जाएगा, बट रिस्पेक्ट तो बढ़ जाएगी. अगर आप बच्चे को एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज देंगे तो वो खुश होगा कि नहीं होगा? जो मैंने आज आपको कराया, क्या वो इतना डिफिकल्ट है कि वो आप शेयर नहीं कर सकते?
डेफिनेटली सर, सिंपल है, शेयर करेंगे, जरूर करेंगे.
सी, ऐसे ही जो कल करेंगे, मैं आप सभी क्यूब्स तो करते हैं. यस पल्लवी, हाउ डू यू फाइंड अ क्यूब ऑफ 21?
Hard.
This is
No,
your
no, it's
syllabus.
easy.
I am talking to you on your syllabus now.
What were you asking? Can you repeat?
Cube of 21. 21 into 21 into 21.
Yeah.
How do you find it?
It will take me some time to,
No.
solve it.
We'll learn a game on that also. See, that is what Vedic maths is, simple one-line solutions. Okay, let's not, that is tomorrow's topic. So just remember that, we'll do. Yes, we don't have disadvantages, but two disadvantages are there. Today also you realize one. Calculators were slow than your speed. So you don't need calculators anymore. So this is the biggest disadvantage. So whosoever has in their office or home, you will not need anymore. You can check with yourself. 11 multiplication, such big multiplication that you were faster than your calculators. In tables, you were faster than the calculators. Second, people will feel jealous when you talk about, yes, I can do this much fast. So, these are the two only disadvantages. Otherwise, you don't have any disadvantage of Vedic mathematics. So now you believe what I said initially. Welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Why did I said magic world? Don't you think now it is magical? We have been learning mathematics from so long, 10 years, 12 years, or any big year. Or we have been teaching even. Still, the basic concepts we were not aware of. And here it becomes so faster that it seems to be magical. Think of now, if you are feeling excited, if you are feeling positive, if you are feeling joyous, think about the kids. Right now, I'm taking classes of one school. They have implemented in Bangalore. They have implemented Vedic maths from class 1 onwards. Though I was not recommending, I recommend always from class 3rd. But they introduced and they said you have to teach. You see the reviews. Kids who were not able to go beyond 10, because in class 1, they will never know the tables up till 10 also. The first hour, after 1 hour only, they were able to write tables of 89. See the confidence that gain. Now, students are sitting along with their parents are also enjoying. Why? Because they are also feeling positive. Yes, my child is doing maths. The subject from which they had fear, now they are attending that class. That change has come. Right? So that magic is there in this subject. Now, for all those who want to become a trainer, first understand what is the situation, what is the real life situation these days. As a teacher, till before the COVID time, a teacher was considered whatever he is saying or she is saying, students used to abide to it. If our parents were going to the PTM and teachers says, yes, your child is not working, parents used to start that time only. No second thought. Because teachers were considered whatever he's teaching, that is the best. Is it the same now? Yes, all the teachers. Is it the same now? No. Now time has changed. Why? Now, when we are teaching a student, his parents, they are comparing. You are being watched globally. You are being compared with globally. So you need to update yourself. Sudhiji, this is the answer to you. You need to update your knowledge. You need to update your content. You need to update your data. Then only you will be able to. It's not, and this is a live example. I have a school nearby. I'll tell you that what happened in that school. It's very big institution. I will not name, but they have 42 institutions, 42 schools, engineering colleges running in the country in North India. Earlier system was something different. So now during COVID, when parents, when there was something, the teachers were giving online classes, parents used to go back to the principal and saying, this is what your teacher is teaching. And this is what actual facts are. Or this is the standard of teaching. So now you are being watched. So knowledge, I'll focus on one thing only. Content and delivery have become very important. It is not the old situation when you go for an interview, you just show your documents. Yes, I scored 100%. I have a gold certificate. Things does not work. What works? Do you have the presentation skills, the delivery skills? So that matters a lot. Similarly, if you are doing a job as a any firm, any company, there also it hardly matters if you're going regularly or doing any sort of job. What matters, are you able to deliver when it is required? Are you able to give it presentable? Are you able to present yourself in front of everyone? See, we all are, in today's life, we all are salesperson. Earlier, we used to say that person is a salesperson. Teachers are an elite crowd. Doctors are elite crowd. Or engineers are elite crowd. Now, no. All doctors, all teachers, all businessmen, everyone is a salesperson. Because we are all globally teaching, training something. Morning, you get a call from HDFC Bank that she's calling for bank accounts or insurance. That is a salesperson. You go to a grocery store, they'll say, take my coupon, you'll get this much of free. That is a sales going on. You go for any car, okay, this is, you're getting this much discount. You go for anything. So everyone is, even if I am teaching you now, what is this? I'm selling. See, with anything you do in life now, you are, or you have to further move. So what is important? Content and delivery. These 2 points have become very important these days. So you should have the content also, and you should have the delivery also. Content, I'll be giving you today some notes. Tomorrow I'll be giving you notes. For 1 month, you can teach any student of class 3rd, 4th, 5th. This much is sufficient. But all of you have the same content. Now, who will be on the upper hand? The person who will have good delivery also. Because that will also matter. So you have to focus on both the things. So today's homework would be one thing you should, because tomorrow we'll be learning on how to start your online classes. So I think you all should have a Facebook page so that you know the concept, how we'll be putting it on net and Instagram. If these 2 things are there, you'll be able to understand more how you will, or you'll be able to correlate the things. Second homework I'll be sharing to you that you need to do so that whatever has been done today, you can have a practice of it. Right? Any questions now? Yes, Satish, Satish, Jyoti, any questions you have?
Sir, I have already Facebook account. Then there is no need to reopen the account.
It is not reopen. See, one thing is there. You have a Facebook account. When you do commercial classes, that will be you have to open a page. When you go in your file, it is written create a page. See, on your profile you get friends. On a page you will get likes. A page will have your commercial address. There is a difference. आपने जब बिजनेस करना होता है तो एक एड्रेस देते हैं ना, एक विजिटिंग कार्ड बनाते हैं। घर का तो विजिटिंग कार्ड नहीं बनाते ना कभी भी। दूसरी चीज आपने नोट किया होगा, अगर आप पोस्ट अपने पर्सनल पोस्ट करते हैं कि मैं यहाँ गया या आई स्पेंडेड दिस, your friends like it. The moment you put post regarding your business, nobody likes it. Why? Because nobody is concerned about your business. Your friends are not concerned about your business. Personal tak wo theek hai. So for commercial activities, it is free of cost. Only the thing is you have to create it. There you'll have your address, there you'll have your timings of business, there you'll have reviews. You'll get the reviews. I'll give you the difference. You can check. I'll share you the difference. See, if you want to understand. Now, in my case, I have Facebook.com is there. Then Dr. Yogesh Chandna. Now, this is my page. A business page where you can like the page, where you can review. So this is page. Then I have Dr. Yogesh Chandna 1. That is my profile where you can become a friend. So where you can become a friend, that is nobody will go for a commercial activity there, na? Because here you'll have likes, reviews, and your address, your location, everything regarding business. So please, you can open a Facebook page also. Right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise,
from Facebook account we can also open the Facebook page.
हाँ, उसी में से वो प्रोफाइल से ही लिंक होगा, और कुछ नहीं करना आपको, उसी में जाके पेज खोलना है, और कुछ नहीं है। बट कमर्शियल जब करनी है एक्टिविटीज, तो यू नीड अ पेज, बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स विल नॉट, एवरीबडी वांट्स टू सी हाउ, लाइक आपने देखा होगा, आई शेयर्ड अ लिंक अबाउट रिव्यूज, वो आता है। Yes, anyone else? Any questions you have? Yes, Jyoti?
No, sir.
Okay. Pallavi?
Sir, I have one question.
Please.
सर, जब मैंने प्रोजेक्ट में पढ़ाया था तब मैंने निखिलम नवशरत दशक तब तक का स्टडी किया था मैंने। उसमें मैंने एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, स्क्वायर रूट, क्यूब रूट का किया था, फ्रैक्शंस के कैलकुलेशन किए थे, कुछ फ्रैक्शंस का भी किया था कुछ, लेकिन उसमें ये बताया गया था कि इंटीग्रेशन, डेरिवेटिव, पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन, ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स से सॉल्व किए जा सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल किए जा सकते हैं।
तो उसका वो थोड़ा सा टफ लगा था। मैंने जब एक बुक आचार्य भारती तीर्थ कृष्ण जी की बुक पढ़ी थी, एक मेरे पास वो रेफरेंस बुक भी है, उसमें पढ़ी थी मैंने, तो वो थोड़ा सा टफ लग रहा था मुझे।
बिल्कुल ठीक है। देखो, अभी आपने मैंने आपको बुक्स का एक रेफर किया, अपना लिंक दिया था, आपने देखा उसका सिलेबस? नहीं।
कौन सा बुक?
मैंने आपको एक जब भेजा था प्रपोजल, उसमें एक लिंक था dryogesh.in/books। उसमें 6 बुक्स थी, मैंने 6 बुक्स लिखी हैं, जिसके ऊपर मुझे ऑथर्स अवार्ड भी मिला था रिसेंटली फ्रॉम मुंबई चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स। नाउ सी प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, जो गुरुदेव ने लिखा वो हर एक को समझ नहीं आ पाता, क्योंकि उतने एग्जाम्पल्स जब तक हम नहीं प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे हम नहीं समझ पाते। करेक्ट. सो ये बहुत बड़ी हमारे पास इंडिया में एक प्रॉब्लम थी कि हमारे पास अच्छा कंटेंट नहीं था. तो अभी आप मेरा सिलेबस देखो, आपको बिल्कुल अर्थमेटिक और अलजेब्रा में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. जहां तक आप बात इंटीग्रेटिव और डेरिवेटिव्स की कर रहे हैं, अभी नहीं लिखा मैंने. लिखा मींस अभी प्रिंट नहीं हुआ, बट डेफिनेटली वो विद टाइम होगा. बट अभी के सिलेबस 9 तक का अगर हम सिलेबस की बात करें, सो एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
ओके 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 9 तक तो हाँ ठीक.
9 देखिए,
वो भी
9 क्यों बोल रहा हूँ,
वो भी जरूरी है सर. 9 तक का आता है तभी आगे का आ पाएगा ना. 9 तक का.
अभी मेरे को 1.5 साल हो गया पढ़ाते हुए. मैंने 1800 ट्रेनर्स बनाए हैं. कैन यू बिलीव? किसी ने ज्योमेट्री और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सोचा ही नहीं, क्योंकि दे डोंट वांट इट.
सर बहुत बड़ा काम करते हो आप सर, इसके लिए आपको हैट्स ऑफ.
थैंक यू.
ये बहुत बड़ा काम है.
राइट. सो एनी डाउट्स यू हैव नाउ? चलिए, कल आज होमवर्क कीजिए, कल मिलते हैं. .2 राइट. सो ओके, गुड इवनिंग एंड बाय बाय. ओके
बाय सर.
ओके, बाय बाय.